little in each cup.
Mommy.
Here, Bianca. I'll help you. Hold this. Pour it in. Okay. One. Amazing. Hold it.
What does he call it? Baking soda? What do you call it?
What is this, guys?
Okay.
Okay, now Peyton. Hold this. Hold on, wait your turn. Now Chris. Hold this. Okay, now we're gonna add food coloring. Colors. Colors. Katie can add. What color is this?
Green.
You can add green. Let's use this hand. One drop. One. Alright, two. Two. Hold on. Everyone gets a turn. Now Aiden, you can add, what color is this? Blue. Ready? Hold on, let me help you. One, two, three. Hold on, leave it there. Alright, so red. Nasir. Ready? What color is this, Nasir? What color is this? Red. And the last one. Okay, we'll go back to Bianca. Let me see. What color is this, Bianca? Yellow. Okay. So what is this, guys?
Rainbow.
We're making a rainbow with what? Baking soda and colors. Colors. Now we're gonna add vinegar. Can you say vinegar? Vinegar. Let's see. Let's see what happens. Ready? Everybody look. Bianca, look. Look at the rainbow. Hold on. Whoa. Ooh, what happened? You like it? Ooh, look at the rainbow. Hold on it. What colors did we use? Green, blue, red, and yellow. We made a rainbow. We made the rainbow explode.